Want to become a full-stack Java developer but don't know where to start? In the next 2 minutes, I'll give you a step-by-step roadmap to mastering full-stack Java development. Let's go. First up, front-end development. You've got to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for those sleek user interfaces. Once you've got the basics down, pick a modern framework like React.js or Angular. They make building complex UIs way easier. And don't forget about styling. Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS can save you tons of time. Next, let's dive into back-end development. Java is your go-to language here, and you'll want to master Spring Boot for building scalable applications. It's perfect for creating robust backends. Also, get comfy with REST APIs. They're crucial for connecting your front-end and back-end seamlessly. Alright, now onto database management. Start with SQL, using databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL. They're industry standards. You'll also need to understand JPA and Hibernate for handling database interactions in your Java apps. Trust me, these tools are lifesavers. And we can't forget about version control and deployment. Git and GitHub are essential for managing your code. Learn them inside out. For deployment, get familiar with Docker and Kubernetes. They make deploying apps a breeze. And it doesn't hurt to know the basics of AWS for cloud deployment. And that's your roadmap to becoming a full-stack Java developer. Save this video and start learning today. Comment below if you want a detailed tutorial on any of these topics. Subscribe for more Java and coding tips.